Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda CRV window motor. First, gather all your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a trim removal tool. Next, make sure you have the correct replacement window motor and regulator assembly. Before starting any work, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's 12-volt battery to prevent electrical shorts and ensure your safety throughout the process. Now let's get that door panel off. Look for screws hidden behind plastic covers in the armrest and door handle area. Typically, there are 2 to 3 screws. Once those are out, use your trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel. You'll hear clips releasing. After the panel is loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors for the window switches and the door handle cable. Set the panel aside safely. With the door panel off, you'll see the window regulator and motor assembly. There are usually 4 to 6 bolts holding it in place. Remove these bolts, but be sure to support the window glass so it doesn't fall. Carefully lift out the old assembly. Now, position your new window motor and regulator assembly into the door. Align the mounting holes and secure it tightly with the bolts you just removed. It's time to put everything back together. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to your door panel, including the window switch and door handle cable. Carefully align the door panel and push it firmly into place until all the clips engage. Then, reinsert and tighten all the screws you removed earlier. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, reconnect your car's battery and test the window to ensure it operates smoothly up and down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.